Do you have any examples or tips for people? You mentioned the customer service side of things right there, of like how do you make people come back and leave good reviews? Do you have any strategy?
Yeah, absolutely. So every customer that I get on Etsy, I send them 4 specific messages. So if it's a physical product, the first message that I'll send, I'll just thank them and let them know that I received their order, and then I'm going to send them a tracking link once it ships. Then once it ships, I'll send them the second message saying, here's your tracking link. Then the third message, I'll check to see if the order has been delivered, and if it's been delivered, I'll send them the third message, saying, hey, I saw that your order arrived. I just want to make sure you're happy with your purchase. And if you are happy with your purchase, if you could kindly leave me an honest review, I'd really appreciate it. And then the fourth message, when they leave me a review, or if they leave me a review, I will just message them saying, I saw that you left me a great review. I just want to thank you so much for taking the time to do that. And that has helped me dramatically increase my sales, increase my reviews, increase customers coming back to me. I'm almost at 10,000 sales on Etsy, and I have 2,000 reviews. So that's like 20%, which I think is pretty good.
That is really good, yeah. And I like the fact that you said you're asking people for honest reviews and not doing that sort of shady tactic where, like, if you leave me a 5-star review, I'll give you a discount code or something like that. You actually want honest feedback. That's probably more effective anyway, I would say, rather than pushing for a 5-star review. So that's cool. So you're doing quite well on Etsy there. That's amazing. And you've got physical and digital products mixed in the same store, have you? Or
Yeah, so I have both physical and digital products on my Etsy store. A lot of people ask me about that. Like, does that work? Is that allowed? And it is. It works. Because I'll tell people, like, me personally, I'm a customer on Etsy. So sometimes I will buy things on Etsy. Like, usually it's like digital, like products, like PNG files. And a lot of the times I'll just search for the what I'm looking for. I'll see it. I'll basically just click on it, look at the listing, add it to my cart, and check out. I rarely ever go to the store, to see what they have. Sometimes I do, but for the most part, I just, search, click, add to cart, and check out, purchase. And even if I were to go to the store and I saw that they were selling physical and digital products, I probably wouldn't be like, okay, I'm not going to buy from this person because they're selling, both. So I don't think it's a big deal.
yeah, true. That's a good point. Like, I also think most customers won't really scan your shop and evaluate it to that extent. Most people just find the stuff in the search results and add it to the cart and not really think about it much. So yeah, I mean, I've always said make separate stores because it kind of looks more neat or more organized, more categorized, but I don't think if you mix the two, that's necessarily going to cripple your sales. If you enjoyed that clip, then click here to watch the full episode of Print on Demand Wisdom.